Today we will discuss about equation of uniformly accelerated motion. In previous class we have learned about acceleration and also solved some problem based on accelerated motion. So what are the terms we have to get here is initial velocity u, final velocity v, and time taken t, acceleration is a, and displacement s. So in the first equation of motion, we will not discuss about displacement, only discuss about these terms: initial velocity, final velocity, time taken, and acceleration. And later on, we will discuss about displacement. But for the first equation, how we will derive this first equation? Suppose object of mass m. We here in this equation we will not consider mass of the body, but only we have to feel how the problem is real. That's why we have taken here mass of body is m. Okay, so the object of mass m is initially having velocity u, and after some time t it will acquire a final velocity v. How? Because of its acceleration. The object is accelerating its motion, so finally it will have some final velocity v. So according to the definition of acceleration, definition of acceleration, what we will know? We know is that acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. Here v final is nothing but u, and initial velocity v final is v, because this is final velocity, and initial velocity is u, and time taken is t. So if we cross multiply it, we will get a t equals to v minus u. After displacing this u this side, we will have v equals to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. This equation will be used for getting final velocity. If an object have initial velocity u and after time t having acceleration a, the final velocity can be calculated from this equation. We will solve the problem based on this equation.